Hey tubers, it's Ben the Curious Consumer and I'm joined with
Xavier the Junior Consumer.
the Pinterest Pirates. Welcome back guys. Today we're going to be doing a cool video of science experiments for you guys. We picked up a kit on Amazon, $29.95, called the Fizz Chemistry Lab Kit. That's what we're going to be using today for our experiments. It is available on Amazon. I will leave links in the description below for you guys so you can take a look. So Xavier, tell me, what experiment are we doing today?
Experiment 8, called More Fizz.
More Fizz. What we're going to be doing, everything comes in the kit except for some of the main materials that you might need. So in this case, the drinks that we have here or the liquids that we have here obviously aren't going to be in the kit, but some of the things that we do need from the kit are test tubes. So we need 4 test tubes. We need a spoon, which comes in the kit. We need the pipettes that we're going to be using today. But we are supplying our own vinegar, orange juice, Coca-Cola, baking soda, and of course, apple juice. All right, last but not least, because we are doing science experiments, always remember safety first. So Xavier, please whip out your goggles. All right, these are called PPEs or personal protection equipment. We're gonna put that on. So Xavier, what are the steps that we have to follow? There's 3 simple steps here, so let's read step number 1.
Step number 1, put 2 big spoonfuls of baking soda in the test tubes.
In the test tubes. As you can see here, the test tubes that we had placed inside of a baking tin with Play-Doh on the bottom so the test tubes can stay up and down, and so you guys can get a better view of what's happening here in this experiment. So Xavier, go ahead, let's get those scoops baking soda into the test tubes. All right, so now that we've got the 2 scoops in each one of those test tubes, we're gonna start the experiment. So Xavier, just out of curiosity, based on the liquids that we have here in front of us, we have soda, apple juice, vinegar, and orange juice. Which one of those liquids do you think is going to have the biggest impact when we put it inside of the test tubes?
I think the Coca-Cola.
You think the Coca-Cola? All right, so what's step number 2?
Use a pipette to put a few drops of liquid into the test tube. What happens?
All right, so let's see. You said you wanted to try soda, so we'll try the soda first. We'll take out a pipette. Let's fill that bad boy up. So while Xavier's doing this, I'm going to use my other camera to get a closer footage for you guys at home so you can get a really good look at what's happening here. All right, so we see that the liquid is fizzing a little bit. Not exactly what you were expecting, huh? No. All right. Well, which one do you think would work best next? Apple juice, orange juice, or vinegar?
I think the orange juice would be good.
Orange juice? All right. So let's put the soda aside. Let's grab the orange juice. Orange juice right there. Let's grab a new pipette and go ahead. Oh, that's a lot. All right, let's get it over to the second one there. Ooh. All right, doesn't look like it's fizzing too much. It is fizzing a little bit. I see it on the top there.
It's going up.
It is fizzing. All right, so what did it do this time, Xavier?
It went a little bit up, but not a lot of fizz though.
A little bit higher than the Coca-Cola, so that's good. Let's try the apple juice next. Now we're gonna go with the apple juice. Hear it fizzing as well. It does not look like, it doesn't look like it's gone up all that much. It does have some bubbles, not as many. I'd say not as many as the orange juice. I think the orange juice so far has been the big heavy hitter, right? So let's move these out of the way.
Now let's see about the vinegar.
Let's try vinegar. Vinegar doesn't have any like bubbles in it like soda does. I would have figured maybe that one, but let's try the vinegar and let's see what happens when you mix the two together. All right, so let's grab the pipette and let's try the vinegar. Make sure you get a good amount in there. All right, and let's go to the end and let's pop it in there. Oh, hey, all right, look at that one. Whoa. Wow, that's cool. All right, so as we can see here, it looks like the vinegar was the winner. That was the best one. And you figure it's just vinegar. It smells bad, and you put it on different types of food and things. But why does it have that effect with baking soda? Now, you and I know it has that effect with baking soda because we've done experiments in the past with that. But why would it have more of an effect than something that might have bubbles in it already? Don't really know. So did you guys know that the process that we're doing right now with the vinegar and baking soda is a very similar process that's used in making soda? So Xavier, we've learned that vinegar has the best effect with baking soda. Can you give me an explanation on why?
When mixing baking soda with vinegar or other
Acidic
beverages, a gas forms creating bubbles in the liquid. This process is called
effervescence.
The gas that is formed is called carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. So when the two chemicals meet, it causes a chemical reaction which almost looks like an explosion. It kind of shoots out of the top there. That's the liquid causing the powder, or the powder causing the liquid to go into gas form, called effervescence. And that effervescence is basically a release of carbon dioxide, which causes that to bubble up and go over the top. Really kind of a neat experiment. Did you have fun with that experiment?
I had fun with it.
All right, so did I. And you guys can have fun with this experiment too at home. It is the Fizz Chemistry Lab Kit. Check it out. Pretty cool. Xavier, another experiment done and in the books. Again, thank you guys for joining us. I'm Ben, the Curious Consumer. This is
Xavier, the Junior Consumer.
And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.